You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this molecule, this hormone. If you want to learn more medical terms that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to listen to and learn from. There are two different correct pronunciations in English: androstenedione, androstenedione. You stress always on that steen syllable, androstenedione, or another correct pronunciation is as androstenedione. Now the Americans say it with a more N, androstenedione or androstenedione, but similar pronunciations, British English and American English, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.